Let me be blunt. There is a silent thief that enters your room every single night. It doesn't steal your valuables. It steals something far more precious, your strength. If you are over 60 and you often go to bed on a light or empty stomach, you are unknowingly letting this thief rob you of your muscle, night after night. It's not because you're lazy. And it's not just because you're aging. It's because of a biological switch that flips after 60, and 99% of people have no idea it's happening. We've measured it. Seniors can lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every single decade, and most of that damage happens while you sleep. But you can stop it. In fact, you can reverse it, starting tonight, with one small, strategic change to your bedtime routine. In this video, I'll reveal 8 science-backed foods proven to boost overnight muscle growth by up to 30%. But the number one food on this list is so effective, it's considered a golden key for seniors, yet it's the one most people think is not for them. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what do you usually eat or drink before bed? Your answer might help someone else. Let's help each other. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more secrets to aging with strength and dignity. So, what is this midnight thief? The process is called catabolism. During sleep, your body is in recovery mode. But that recovery needs fuel, specifically, protein. If your stomach is empty, where does your body get this fuel? It starts eating your own muscles. It breaks down your precious muscle tissue to get the amino acids it needs just to keep your heart beating and your cells repairing. And here's the alarming part. After 60, your body develops something called anabolic resistance. In simple terms, even if you eat enough protein during the day, your body becomes less efficient at using it to rebuild muscle. So, you have a double problem. Your muscles are being broken down every night, and your body is too weak to rebuild them properly. That's why you wake up feeling weaker, stiffer, or less balanced. It's not lack of rest. It's lack of the right fuel. But the good news is, we can fight back. Let's count down the 8 best foods to fuel your muscles overnight, starting with number 8. Number 8, cottage cheese. This might seem old-fashioned, but to clinical nutritionists, this is one of the best nighttime proteins you can find. The secret is a type of protein called casein. If whey protein is like a firework, a quick burst, then gone, casein is like a candle, burning slow and steady, releasing muscle-building amino acids for 6 to 8 hours. Exactly what you need overnight. How to use it: eat half a cup about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. For flavor, add a few banana slices or a dash of cinnamon. Who is it for? Perfect for seniors who wake up feeling stiff or sore, or anyone trying to preserve strength and improve balance. Number 7, hard-boiled eggs. We think of eggs for breakfast, but their real magic for seniors can happen at night. Each egg contains 6 grams of complete, high-quality protein. The star here is an amino acid called leucine, which acts like a light switch that turns on your body's muscle-building machinery. For aging bodies with anabolic resistance, leucine is non-negotiable. How to use it: eat 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs 30 minutes before bed. Sprinkle with a bit of black pepper to boost nutrient absorption. Who is it for? Ideal for those with a low appetite in the evening who need a light but powerful protein punch. Number 6, tuna packed in olive oil. An unusual choice, but incredibly effective. Tuna is packed with that muscle-triggering amino acid, leucine. But the real magic happens when it's packed in olive oil. The healthy fats from the olive oil slow down the digestion of the protein, creating a slow-release effect that feeds your muscles steadily all night long. How to use it: eat about half a can. Pair it with cucumber slices. Always choose tuna in olive oil, not water, for this specific nighttime benefit. Who is it for? A game changer for seniors who wake up sore or sluggish, and anyone noticing muscle weakness or balance issues. Number 5, Greek yogurt. This isn't just a dessert, it's a powerful trio of benefits. It has the slow-digesting casein protein, like cottage cheese. It has probiotics to support gut health, which is crucial for nutrient absorption. And it has calcium for muscle contraction and bone strength. It's a well-rounded ally for aging well. How to use it: half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Avoid sugary, flavored yogurts. Who is it for? Anyone who wakes up stiff, low on energy, or has digestive issues. Number 4, golden milk, warm milk with turmeric. This isn't a folk remedy, it's a science-backed recovery strategy. The milk provides the slow-release casein protein. But the turmeric contains curcumin, one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory compounds. It calms your joints, reduces the inflammation that breaks down muscle, and promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. How to use it: gently warm 1 cup of milk, don't boil. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Who is it for? A must-try for seniors with joint pain, morning stiffness, or anyone struggling with poor sleep. Number 3, almond butter. Small but mighty. Almond butter is a powerhouse of healthy fats, plant-based protein, and vitamin E. The healthy fats provide steady energy overnight, while the protein supplies amino acids. Most importantly, studies show it can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that silently eats away at your muscles while you sleep. How to use it: just 1 tablespoon, straight from the spoon or on an apple slice. Make sure it's natural almond butter with no added sugar or oils. Who is it for? Perfect for those with a low appetite at night or anyone feeling the effects of stress on their body. Number 2, tart cherry juice. This is one of the most scientifically supported nighttime tools. Why? It's rich in anthocyanins, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce muscle soreness. And it's one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that helps you get deeper, more restful sleep. Better sleep means better muscle recovery. It's a powerful synergy. How to use it: drink 4 to 6 ounces, about half a glass, of 100% pure tart cherry juice, not a sugary blend. Who is it for? If you wake up with sore muscles, stiff joints, or struggle with light sleep, this could be the simplest remedy you'll ever try. And here it is. The number 1 food on our list. The golden key to protecting and rebuilding your muscles after 60, even if you don't exercise. If you've always thought this was just for bodybuilders, think again. In reality, you need it more than they do. It is. Number 1, a whey protein shake. Why is whey so powerful? Because your body's ability to absorb protein declines with age. Whey is the most bioavailable form of protein on the planet. Its amino acids, especially the muscle-building switch leucine, rush into your system almost instantly. This gives your body the strong, immediate signal it needs to stop breaking down muscle and start building it instead. A landmark study showed whey before bed increased overnight muscle synthesis by 22% in seniors, even without exercise. How to use it: mix 1 scoop of high-quality whey protein isolate with water or unsweetened almond milk and drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Who is it for? Essential for any senior at risk of muscle loss, those wanting to improve balance and strength, and anyone recovering from illness or surgery. After 60, you don't need to lift heavy weights to stay strong. All it takes is eating the right food at the right time. We've just covered the 8 most powerful bedtime foods for preserving muscle. Each one is like a silent builder, working to rebuild your strength while you sleep, helping you wake up with steadier legs, less pain, and more energy. Try this tonight. Pick just 1 food from this list and make it part of your evening routine. Within days, you'll likely feel the difference. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Comment below, which food are you most excited to try? And please, share this episode with a friend or loved one. Because everyone deserves to age with strength and dignity.